ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ 5th ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ BBA ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ 4ನೇ ಸೆಷನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ ತಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯೂನಿಟ್ 1 ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ data processing, data and information, steps in data processing, types of information. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Meaning of data processing. Data processing means converting data into informations. Andre data processing refers to the derivation of useful information from unstructured data is called as data processing. Next one is steps in data processing. The following steps involved in processing of data: collection of data, preparation stage, input of data, processing stage, storage, output and interpretations. Next is data and types of data. Data are the raw facts, numbers or text that can be processed. Andre data are the raw materials from which information is produced, and the quality, reliability and integrity of the data must be maintained for the information to be useful. Next is types of data. Data are broadly classified into two types. One is qualitative data, another one is quantitative data. Again, qualitative data classified into four types: nominal data, ordinal data, internal data, ratio data. The quantitative data again classified into two types: continuous data, discrete data. Next is informations. Already you understood what is information. The information which can mean any of the following. And the informations, the data objects that represents knowledge or beliefs is called as informations. Andre the knowledge or beliefs of an agents as part of their mental state. Andre that communication of the one persons to another persons by exchanging of the message is called as informations. Types of informations. The informations are broadly classified into based on sources, based on nature, based on level, based on use, based on structure, based on time, based on frequency, based on form, based on flow of information, based on characteristics. On this basis, the information can be classified into various types. Based on nature, the informations are quantitative informations, qualitative informations, formal informations, informal informations. Based on level, strategic information, tactical information, operational informations. Based on application or use, planning information, control information, knowledge information. Based on structure or type, detailed information, summarized information, sampled information, aggregated information. Based on time, historical information, current information, future information. Based on frequency, real time information, periodic information. Based on form, written information, visual informations, oral informations, sensory information. Based on flow of information, vertical information, horizontal information. Other classification are action and non-action information, recurring and non-recurring information. These are the various types of informations. Thank you.